We are on a ship, the Star Princess, getting ready to go cruising for the next, 8 days, 7 nights, I think, honey? And we want to show you the room that we got. This ship is 2 months old, and that's it. And we have just a regular stateroom, so we want to show what it looks like. So come on in.
We have an ocean view.
Yep.
And there's a specific reason why we booked the ocean view.
Why?
I'll show you in a minute as we go in. This is gorgeous.
So I'm going to bring you this way, honey, and we're going to show you the back part before we come up front, okay? So do you want to go all the way in the back and then work our way forward?
That's all.
Let's go all the way in the back.
That's what you should do.
I want to explain, we do not have a balcony. We have a sitting area. We'll explain why in a minute. We did not get the balcony. We have a sitting area, and we'll explain why.
We have an ocean view. That's the category of this stateroom.
But the cool thing is you've got a nice little sitting area to sit out here and watch going into the docks, into the ports, or even just to sit out and watch the ocean. It's a great spot to just sit here and read if you want to read. Perfect sitting area. You've got a king-size bed with a really, really thick comforter. It is heavy comforter. If you like heavy comforters, you're going to love this. I will say on both sides of the bed, we'll just show you the one side of the bed because they're exactly the same on either side. And explain to them why we got this room and not a balcony real quick.
It had to do with, first of all, cost. Number two, the spacing between the bed and the sofa. It gives you more room to get out of bed versus this much room. It would be like really tiny.
I will say that the balcony, if you had a balcony, the balcony takes up space and the balcony would come to about here. So everything would have to get pushed that way to be able to get a balcony. So you'd lose that much room of being able to get around the bed. So
the comforter is a thick comforter. It's not like those hotel sheets and one tiny blanket.
Lame blankets.
Yep. And then this has your reading light that you love.
I love those reading lights. That way I can read without keeping you awake.
Lots of plugs and a drawer.
If you're going to be here 7 days, you might use the drawers. I do like the fact that you've got plugs on both sides, including USB and USB-C. One of the things we noticed on a lot of the older ships we've been on, you don't have enough plugs. The last cruise that we took, we actually had to bring an extension cord and a strip cord to be able to plug our phones and everything into. You have a couch and a sitting area, so with a little table here. It's just a smaller table, but it works to be able to sit. What I like is the desk. You have a full desk with a nice lighted mirror. You have a place to keep your glasses. There's an ice bucket there. And again, I mentioned the plugs. Look at the plugs they have here, including international plugs. And they have an international plug on the back too.
Look at it. There are so many plugs. This is great.
And even more plugs up there, free to use.
And in here is the hair dryer.
Right. And then I think that's a baby fridge. Yep, that's a baby fridge.
And it should be empty because we don't, it's empty. So you can put like a couple waters or a couple sodas in there.
They have we'll work our way up the front.
Every day you will get the Princess Patter, which is basically telling you what goes on
that day.
So today is actually November 15th. And then dinner is smart casual. Tomorrow we have a sea day. And this is the inaugural season of the Star Princess.
Yeah, well, I think I mentioned already that this is like only the 5th sailing of this boat that's ever happened. So this is like a brand new ship that's only a couple of months old. So we're going to come up here into the area. Let's start on this side first. You have a closet. You can open up the other side.
Lots of hangers. Lots of shelves.
I will say there's not a lot of room once the doors open, but it works.
Let me change the view. Hold on. Here we go. Here's the closet.
There is a lot of storage space, so you do have a lot of stuff, a lot of places to put stuff.
But it is tight. The walkway is very tight in here.
I haven't figured out where to put suitcases yet, so we'll figure that out.
I think underneath the bed. Oh, excuse me.
Excuse yourself. Wow. More storage space here.
And there's a safe, the standard Princess safe, which barely fits a laptop.
Yeah. And as you can see, there's not a lot of space in the hallway.
No.
To be expected. I mean, the last ship that we were on, this was off to the side, so the hallway was never blocked. The hallway is now blocked, which I'm not sure I like, but it works out. Drawers, plenty of space. And here's what I like. I have already looked in here, so I know what to see.
Well, let's go check out the full length mirror first.
Right. Hello.
And then the bathroom.
Okay, I've already checked this out. You ready?
Okay. Ooh, look at this. It is not that big, but it's big enough.
Let me get around here so I can get in.
Yeah. Because Steve always has to. Oops. Okay, ready?
Again, not a lot of hall
Okay,
space.
there we go. It is not that big, but big enough, sort of.
Yeah, and it's actually bigger than the last one we were on, and I want to show you this.
Ooh.
Yeah. It's not a shower
you will
curtain.
have to step out to get in, will you? There.
Yeah.
Oh, you can actually turn around in this one, not like the last one.
Yeah, we'll shut the door and we'll show you. Yeah. Oh yeah. There's
go.
actually a lot of room in here. It's a lot of room this way, not a lot of room this way, but it's wider than the ones that we were on before.
So there is
You got a step bar.
a step bar, and then this is where you turn the water on and off. And it has the adjustable shower.
Yeah, an adjustable head.
And then you have a soap dish or shampoo dish there.
Right.
And you have Bigman shampoo, conditioner, and body wash.
And grab bar.
Oh!
Whoa!
Nice.
I'm soaked. Oh my god. I don't have my suitcases either. I don't have any clothes. I backed into that. Wow.
Nice.
Nice.
I'll use a towel.
I'm going to use a towel.
Okay.
But yeah, the shower works. All right.
Okay.
Let's wrap this up, all right, shall we?
There.
Wow. Thanks for watching this video. Appreciate you checking it out. Have a magical day while I get dried off.